If you want to build muscle and lose fat, but it's hard for you to eat enough protein, and you don't want to eat more meat, eggs or cottage cheese, then you have to try this solution, egg whites. Per 100 grams, they have 45 calories and 10.5 grams of protein, which makes them the purest source of protein, since 42 out of those 45 calories are coming from protein. Of course, you can also separate the yolk from the white yourself, but it's more messy and isn't that much more cheaper, so I would rather just buy it separately. In recipes, instead of using eggs, you can use egg whites to increase the protein and to reduce the fat and calories, since the egg yolk is mostly fat. I use egg whites to make waffles, pancakes, or I just add them to eggs when I'm cooking an omelette. Another way that you can use this egg white is to just drink it straight up, but I wouldn't recommend this way because it's not very tasty. And the last thing that I want to say is that I'm in no way saying that the egg yolk is bad and that you should avoid it. It's healthy, it contains a lot of healthy fats and vitamins, but if your goal is to eat more protein without eating a ton of calories, then it would be wiser to just exchange some egg yolks for egg whites. If you found this video helpful, then I would be super grateful if you left a like, followed me, and commented down below what kind of videos you would like to see from me more. Have an awesome day. Peace.